Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by being purposeful. Decide your single goal and collect 1-3 concise context items like audience, length, or examples. Once done, open Chatgpt and select the model that fits your needs. Make sure to set tone or formatting constraints up front. Now type a focused prompt that includes the goal, context, and a specific request. This early precision steers results away from vagueness and saves time, so you don't iterate on unclear outputs. Next, refine by adding structure. Ask for numbered steps, headings, or a short outline so you can scan results quickly. Provide one sample or template to demonstrate the desired style, and explicitly request depth, time estimates, or sources of logic, so the model doesn't stay superficial. If the task is complex, tell Chatgpt to ask clarifying questions first. This pauses full responses and surfaces missing assumptions. Doing this reduces rewrites and improves the first usable draft. Finish by polishing. Ask for edits, alternative tones, or a concise summary to compress the result. Make sure to verify critical facts and request the reasoning or steps used to reach conclusions. This helps detect hallucinations. If results aren't right, troubleshoot by simplifying the prompt, reducing simultaneous asks, or explicitly requesting clarifying questions. One practical tip: paste a failing prompt into a fresh conversation to remove hidden context. That often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.